Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. ETH sold off a little bit further earlier today, overextending as it seems in this third wave. So I mean, again, we had it like this before, 3, 4, and we expected another low. Yeah, if you watched the previous videos, then you will know that. However, I don't like the proportions of it at all. It looks to me, it doesn't have the right look like a 5-wave move to the downside. Could be wrong here, but for me, it's more likely. This is a very, very short and unreliable wave 4. So for me, it's more likely that this third wave is actually extending. Yeah. And all we need to do now is to track resistance. Against resistance, we can focus on lower. Same way as we focused on 1678 resistance earlier today, and I highlighted to you against that level, we can focus on lower. Price did come down lower. So all we need to do now is to extend resistance. Bear in mind, in the third wave, I sometimes say that I can't repeat everything in every video, of course, but third waves can always extend, and in the third wave you just have to have that expectation that extensions always happen. So best to do in a third wave is not to track the micro structures, because they can be deceptive. You get just too many distortions, but just to track resistance. Here, 1663 is resistance for this fourth wave. Not saying the third is finished, it can still continue down, but as long as 1663 is not broken to the upside, we focus on lower. My view is, if from here, without a clear 5-wave move down, a rally through 1663 occurs, I'm dealing with a higher B wave. This is what I'm observing, just to keep it very simple. As long as we stay below 1663, we should get one more low in a fifth wave. If we break above that level, I will start to consider the green B wave is in play. So at the moment, the assumption is wave B topped here. Okay, could be a wave 4, and we just get this wave 5 down and go. But at the moment, for risk management purposes, I assume it's a B wave, which could sell off much further to the downside. We talked about that in previous videos. Would still all be part of an overall bullish scenario, but we cannot confirm a low in place, so still track lower. At the moment, the structure for me, because we only have 3 waves down, yeah, if it breaks above that 1663 level, it's a higher B wave. Why is that? Because to really complete a 5-wave move down, we need reliable 5 waves. And we haven't even broken below the 17th of August low. I'd like it to do that eventually. Yeah. Hitting, ideally, the area between 1536 to 1460 next. And it can do that if it extends this move down a little bit further. Now, we all know how crypto behaves, and sometimes it just tries to change its opinion quickly. So a high B wave would be as follows. A wave up, 3 waves down in a B wave, and then 5 waves up in a C wave. So A, B, C in a high B wave. And this would be still within a short-term bearish scenario, because that's not a good idea to chase that move. If it happens, it would then result in a 5-wave move down. Now, anyway, I think we have some time. It's weekend now, and I think we're going to see a wave 4 weekend again, as it seems. Yeah, we all know it. Oftentimes you get your wave 4 on the weekend. It certainly helps with the wave count. If you don't know where you are, but it's Friday, all right, we're probably in a wave 4. Just joking, but it is generally the case. And anyway, so this could be a boring wave 4 weekend again. Yeah, again, it could be this third is finished now. I have no reliable signals. It is, but let's see in terms of Fibonacci extensions here. This third wave to the downside. Yeah, it overextended. Yeah, it overextended. But it is sort of where, it has reached a length where you can say, yeah, the third wave could be finished. Let's see, if we go a little bit deeper into the red zone, maybe 1648, maybe 1660, then I consider this a reliable wave 4 with still one more low then to come. And then if we zoom out a little bit, we can say that if we get the 5 waves down, then we consider that this might just be a wave 1 in the green C wave. Could get a wave 2 to the upside in a 3-wave move, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 eventually lower. This spot will be an interesting short trade opportunity in my opinion Will depend on the structure. I will keep you updated about that one. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.